gone through that right there?
Yes, I have. It's a deep hole. I can pull you out if you need to.
So I guess our plan didn't turn out how we wanted it. I guess that's not really out of the ordinary for us, but anyways, we decided because of the issues that the ice kind of happening underneath the little bit of snow that was there. So now we're gonna head down and we're gonna go and check out another spot. Hopefully we'll make it to this one. It's called Stephon's Pond, and that way we'll still be able to get some scenery, get a little bit of a drive in. So we stopped at a little pond. Now I can't remember the name of the pond. Anyways, we haven't been here before. We've driven by it, but we haven't actually walked over to it. There's a little bit of a gate.
Reservoir.
Oh, String Hills Reservoir. There we go. And in fact, the sign even says that. So, yeah, we're gonna go check this out. Let's go see what it looks like. Come on, let's go.
Grass growing. You gotta take a little home, transplant it, right?
Ooh, it is gooey. Oh.
A little muddy.
A little bit.
I can't get the stick off the bottom of my shoes.
It's kicked on mine.
Look at the costumes collection.
You see mine?
Oh, wow. That's a lot bigger than I thought.
It's a real popular fishing spot. During the summer, the water, is way up here.
Yeah, I do actually remember being here. You used to be able to drive up to this though, right?
Well, we used to like walk around
No, baby.
and over to the other side and fish.
Years ago, this side is a lot like Beehive. You used to be able to drive on the backside of Beehive.
Oh, it's pretty. Was that one of the side roads we were wanting to check out?
The one that goes up to Wheeler Reservoir.
Left or right?
Goes to the upper side of Wheeler Reservoir. Left goes to Stephon's Pond.
Stephon's Pond.
So we made it to Stephon's Pond. We got ourselves situated into where there is a nice little ring for fire pit and everything. But I'll just show you the pond. And it normally is up to the edge of the road here, and it's all filled in out here. But as you know, as it gets towards the end of the season, the water drains out and gets lower. But there, we've camped actually right over here before, where the fire ring is at, and this is a great little spot. And yeah, we brought up little kayaks and we floated onto this because it was middle of summer, so it was really perfect for that kind of short distance camping from home. It was really nice. So yeah, this gets filled up, and it's kind of fun because you can take the kayaks and you have to dodge all the little stumps and stuff from falling over and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna get a fire going. We're gonna have dinner, and we'll find out what everybody's eating tonight. All right, hon, what are we having for dinner?
We are having pulled pork burritos.
Oh, yeah.
So with some Spanish style rice, we've got diced up onion, tomato, and radishes in here, cheese, tortillas.
So you mean we're not having hot dogs?
Not hot dogs.
Oh.
Something different. We're all
good.
tired of hot dogs.
Pulled pork sounds delicious.
Something else that's nice and warm since it's cold out and easy to make.
All right, well, I look forward to it.
Me too. It was good the other night.
Well, let's go see what everybody else is having. All right, Mom, what are you making for dinner?
I'm having some curry chicken and rice, and we have some naan bread.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That looks really good. Where did you get the curried chicken?
Costco.
Oh, man. That's a great idea.
I almost thought of making hamburgers, and then I remembered I had this. It's like, oh, I already had the rice made. So it made it really, it's just a matter of warming it up.
Let's see, and look. And Dad's cutting
Okay,
some
step
more
on it.
wood.
Step on it.
Zaylen's helping him out.
Hi.
So you said you got something underneath?
Oh yeah. To warm up my naan bread, see I have 3 burners, but one of my burners is either it heats the top and it also heats the bottom, so I can warm up my my bread.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So it's like toast.
It's like an oven
Yeah.
almost.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
That works out really nice. Now we can have warm bread.
Hi, Zakashjan. Are you warm by the fire?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, that's a big fire. Gotta stay back. Well, that way Uncle Jim will be nice and warm. All right, Sandy. We would like to know, what is it that you're having for dinner?
We brought stew from home, and I'm going to heat it in the jet boil real easy. And it's got beans and tomatoes and hamburger and chili spice.
Wow.
And onions and garlic.
Do you have a name for
That's
that?
about it. Nope.
Nope.
Sandy stew.
Sandy stew.
Yep. That's right.
Sounds good.
It is good. It's tasty.
It looks good. And look at that. You got your jet boil. She's
I do.
prepared.
I do.
you gone through that right there?
Yes, I have. It's a deep hole. I can pull you out if you need to.
Hey, Grandma, when you were coming through that puddle, it looks like the Jeep was a spider because of all the lights.
That's funny.
Zayla wants to ride through it.
Go in it from this direction. That way you get the feel of it both ways.
Coming out the front.
Wow, that nose was really in there.
So what was your guys' favorite part?
When we were headed up the mountain and we turned around in the snow and some of us walked part way, getting back down the hill with everybody and the dogs, that was fun. And the hill climb. Can I have two favorites?
Yes, you can have two favorites.
Okay.
You can have more than one.
Okay.
What was your favorite part, Jim?
Oh, I enjoyed walking up to the reservoir, or the pond, or
The Spring
whatever you
Hill.
want to call it.
I think that was Spring Hill that we walked to. Yeah, that was nice. Jazzy, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was when we were with the girls, and I liked going through all the mud puddles.
Yeah. Zaylin, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the food, the stops, the puddles, the playing with the girls. I liked a ton of things, and I also liked getting my rope from the camp spot that we had dinner.
Is that what you found it?
Yeah.
Very cool. All right, Lori.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part. Today was a little different. We did see some views, not as nice as when we went last time, but I think it was actually scarier this time than exciting on that first part that we went to where the snow was, because it was really slippery. It didn't feel slippery going up, but coming back down it was really slippery, and you've got that drop off to the edge. So
Yeah.
it was good that we decided not to go that way. And yeah, so anyway, today was a lot different than our normal trips, but that makes the excitement, I guess.
Let's see where Greg goes. All right, Greg, what was your favorite part?
Oh. Probably the hill climbs. But I was really looking forward to seeing the view on making that big loop, but the roads just got too icy and too dangerous. So.
We'll have to try it another time when it's not so bad.
Yeah, I was a little disappointed that we had to turn around.
Better be safe though.
But we've seen both ends of it.
Yeah,
So
that's true. We'll
yeah.
plan it another time.
Yeah. Oh, and having a nice big fire, that was nice.
Yes.
Yes, that helped it not feel so cold out. And when we were eating, there wasn't any wind, so that made it really nice too. It didn't feel 32 degrees, so it was nice.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, I like all the little fun side technical stuff that we go through, the mud puddles, the little hill climbs. Those are always really fun. I think I like on the route that we took though, when it got on the parts where it's less traveled and it kind of zigzags through the areas where they've clear cut, so you can kind of see more contrast of the hills, and I really like that. You can also see some trails that are like, maybe we should go check those out. So yeah, this is a nice little route, especially when you have to change your plans in the middle of your normal driving time.
Did you have fun, Ayla? Huh? Did you get to go play? Yeah, did you have fun?
We can go go down Bagel Creek.
Did you have fun, baby? Did you have fun?
Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.